This is the craziest trend that I've seen when it comes to e-commerce. And this trend is called Amazon flips. Basically, it's when you purchase items from Amazon and then you sell them back on Amazon for a profit. As crazy as this sounds, it actually works. I buy a ton of inventory for my Amazon FBA business directly from Amazon. So basically what I do is I look for items that commonly go out of stock that are really hot sellers that I can purchase at a good price, and then when Amazon does go out of stock, I know that I'll be one of the only other sellers on that listing and I can sell it for my price and make a profit. The other products that I look for when it comes to Amazon flips are products that are on crazy sales that I know will be only on sale for say a week, and then when they go back to regular price, I'll be able to make a decent profit off of that item. That's another item that I look for when it comes to Amazon flips. The third and final item that I look for when it comes to Amazon flips are items that are close to the end of their lifespan and are going to be no longer manufactured. So I'll buy a bunch of those items, wait for them to no longer be sold by Amazon because they're no longer manufactured, and then be able to sell them at my higher price for a profit. And that's how I do Amazon flips. So basically I'm constantly looking on Amazon, and I also use an Amazon business account so that I can buy in bulk and sometimes even get bigger discounts because I'm part of the Amazon business program. So look for items that you can purchase at a lower price that will constantly go out of stock by Amazon. Look for items that you can buy that are on a crazy discount, or look for items that are at the end of their lifespan and are no longer going to be manufactured. Then purchase those items, wait for them to actually fully go out of stock, and then send them into an Amazon FBA warehouse and sell them at your price and make that profit from selling those items. So this business model is called Amazon flips, and it is the craziest e-commerce trend that I've ever heard of, because you're literally buying items from the exact same store that you're selling them on, which is just insane that it works, but it definitely does. I purchase a ton of inventory directly from Amazon to sell on Amazon FBA. So if you want to learn more about this, then don't forget to follow or subscribe to my channel to learn more about this and how to do this, because it's one of those e-commerce trends that really works and that is super weird to the average person. It's like, how would that work? But it does, and it's something that I've made a lot of money off of.